In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the team default language in your Fresha account. Perhaps you've added team members who speak different languages or want to personalize your settings to better accommodate everyone's preferences. Whatever the reason, changing the default language is a simple process that can make a big difference in communication efficiency throughout your team. To get started, you'll want to open your browser and go to your Fresha dashboard. This is the main hub where you manage your business activities and settings. Once you're there, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen, where you'll see a menu with various icons. Your next step is to locate the gear icon. This is your settings icon, and clicking on it will take you into the settings section of your Fresha dashboard. After you click on that gear icon, you'll see multiple options designed to help you fine-tune different aspects of your business. For our purposes today, you'll want to direct your attention to the Business Setup option. Once you've found it, go ahead and click on it. This brings us to the Business Information page. Here, you can modify various details about your business operations, but we're focusing specifically on language settings. Look for the Edit button, which will be located next to your business info. Clicking on this button will allow you to make changes to your language settings, among other things. Now focus on the lower part of this page where you'll find the Language Settings section. Scroll until you see the option to change the Team Default Language. This is where you can select the new default language for your team. Make sure to choose the language that best suits the needs of your team, ensuring that everyone can interact with the software comfortably and effectively. Once you've made your selection, be sure to click the Save button located at the top of the page. Saving your changes is crucial to updating your settings. If you forget to save, your changes will not take effect, so always make sure you hit that button before navigating away from the page. And that's it. You've now successfully changed the team default language on your Fresha account. By following these steps, you ensure that your team members receive communications in a language they understand best, which can greatly enhance team cohesion and productivity. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy business tips. Until next time, happy organizing!